Hey, this is Craig with DIY American, and I'm coming to you today with another install of WeatherTech window deflectors. We absolutely love these things, especially if you're living in a rainy state like Tennessee, because a lot of times you want to leave your windows cracked, especially in hot weather, but it still might rain, so these will keep the rain out for you. So we'll go through the quick, easy steps. First thing you do is roll your windows halfway down, and it's best to make sure your windows are nice and dry and clean. So the first thing you want to do is this sets on the outside edge, so don't try to tuck this down in there. It just is going to set on the top. So you're going to just tuck that in, see, make sure that's sticking out. Then you're going to bow it like so, and it feels like they're going to break, but they won't break. They're very strong. And then you tuck that in, and then you go back and you work from front to back, and you tuck this little sucker in there. Don't worry, it won't break. It does feel like it. You feel like, oh man, this plastic's gonna snap. Oops. I'm pulling my weather trim. Don't do that. I got it tucked in too much. Okay, there we go. And this is for a 2014 Honda, so there you go. You got it nice, and that's the main part. Now you're mainly done. Now all you need to do is a couple more quick things. Once you got it all tucked in, you want to just go again from the front to back and just give it a pull toward yourself. I'm just pulling this out to make sure it's just how it's supposed to be. All right, and it's that easy that we're done with the front. The back's a little different, so let's get on the back one. All right, now to do the back one, it's actually quite easier, except there's one extra step. You got to remove this adhesive. First, I would recommend getting it in, and you're just going to tilt it sideways and get it in the outside track on the window. Then go ahead and peel the adhesive off. It's the little orange strip. Then you just slide it all the way up in there. Get it nice and firm. When you got it in place, then you're going to pull it out toward yourself, just like I did on the front window. So I'm just tucking my fingers in and pulling out. All right. Okay, now you're on to the final step to make sure these stay just how you want them. Now the final step, and you want to do this with all the windows, is you're going to slowly roll the windows up and down 5 times to make sure that everything's nice and snug. So get it up, you can go full speed and then go slow when you're near the top. And back down. And just repeat this 5 times. You're going to do the same thing to the back window, and then once you're done with this, WeatherTech recommends you leave the windows fully rolled up for 24 hours. So leave them up for a whole day and night, and then they should be ready to go. And that's just, mostly I think that's to make sure on the rear window that the adhesive sticks real good, because when the window goes up in there, it pushes it up against the adhesive. So make sure to leave them up for 24 hours. But you should be good to go, so easy peasy, and then enjoy your weather strips. Thanks for watching.